2 minus 2 is just 0. And again here we have 2 minus 2. So 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and you have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this multiplication, not this subtraction. Okay? So first this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. 2 times 2 gives us 4. So we have 2 minus 4 minus 2. Now we have two subtractions. When we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to go from left to right. So first 2 minus 4, which equals negative 2. So negative 2 minus 2, which equals negative 4. This is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 4.